I'd like to thank the speakers, the panelists, the organisers, and all those who worked very hard to ensure the success of this afternoon's meeting. We will circulate a summary report with the highlights and the action plan, and I look forward to our continued engagement with every one of you to make FH paediatric screening a reality in Europe. It now gives me great pleasure to give the floor to Professor Tadej Battelino to officially close the meeting. Professor Battelino is head of the Department of Endocrinology, Diabetes and Metabolism of the University Children's Hospital of Ljubljana, and he's a powerful advocate of early screening and detection. Professor Battelino, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much, Dr. Reeve. And I'm almost wordless after this day, what I believe was a celebration of goodwill and determination for action on evidence-based decisions. The morning we spent with the neonatal screening programs, and I would like to thank again Professor John Bonham. John, your leadership is so important to all of us. And I think the most important message throughout the morning was that we have trust of people with newborn babies. They trust us that we actually are capable of performing a screening that is effective, minimally invasive, and replies to the ever-growing inborn errors that are treatable, either with conventional approaches or with gene therapy. We discussed the emergence technologies, particularly the next generation sequencing, or even better, the genomic approach to the screening, and how societies in the European Union will have to evolve, and how we will have to do our utmost to keep the trust of people and to make people stay with us so that we walk together towards a healthier and more secure population in the European Union. Also, importantly, we have to harmonize the screening progress in Europe and help those that are slightly behind with the pace of development in the recent years. And for this, it was a suggestion that perhaps a standing committee would help European institutions guide towards a common platform for the newborn screening in the European Union. On the other hand, the afternoon was spent with a well-known, well-characterized disease that is considerably more common and is, as we heard time and again, deadly. We have well-developed approaches to detect it timely and to intervene, to prevent this terrible outcome. So it looks like that the ball now is on the side of politicians and policymakers to simply accept the fact that pediatric screening for familial hypercholesterolemia is not just cost-effective, but is saving lives and improving quality of life of perhaps every 1 in 250 individuals in the European Union. After what we heard from people affected with this disease, and all the science and also all the willingness for many associations and also political forums, I have a very strong belief, as Dr. Reeve said, that in 3 years, we are likely to be quite close to a universal pediatric FH screening in the European Union. With this, I would like to thank all, again, all from the local organizing committee, our Ulrich Goschel, and the nice team that he organized for this particular event, our Ministry of Health, the Minister, Dr. Pokluka, for endorsing the meeting as an accompanying event to our presidency to EU Commission, and of course, all the organizations, professional and patient-led organizations, for their immense support, enthusiasm, energy, and help. I will refrain from naming all because I'll certainly forget at least a couple, and then the damage will be bigger than not mentioning anybody specifically, but just thanking all. And of course, thank all participants, speakers, supporters that today said so many beautiful things. My belief in goodwill of European societies is considerably higher after what I heard today, and I deeply thank you for this. With this, please allow me to close this meeting with thanks and with real hope that things will change and improve very soon. Thank you very much.